Greetings everyone, I bring a new video and another strategy for the OTC markets. In this case we are going to use only two indicators, alright? Stochastic Oscillator and Donchian Channel. Okay, so we have this side working, especially this weekend market, and able to see that unstable and well. Okay, so the feedback, I will have the total indicators working. Let's see if that's okay. In this case, I'm going to combine these two indicators, Donchian with Stochastic Oscillator, 20 on period, this style. Click on save and select background. Stochastic Oscillator, we're gonna use that 14, 3, 3, and simple movement. All right, and the styles, we're gonna use that color. That's up to you as well. So guys, simple look here. It's seen as have an entry. Let's see. Okay, they have the first entry right here. I maybe this got it opportunity. Okay, let's see, and let's wait for that. Okay, it's a button. That's good option for us. Okay, let's wait for that. We still reject and the price is going up. It doesn't happen. It doesn't happen right here. But look, right here, it's Stochastic Oscillator, the entry confirmed it to me, but now they're here to confirm it to me. So it's just arrived. We have to wait for it to make it kind of accumulation distribution. So that entry, well, it's more ideal because if just see that reaches it down and falls. Maybe and enters here to lose that, but in that case, there are already several rejections, and see that Stochastic Oscillator is already failing. We'll wait for 15 seconds to see how this first entry. Okay, and let's wait for that and watch turns on also to see the macro trend. Okay, so that's respecting 5 seconds remaining, and we are next to get this one or first one of this. And look at that, guys. One on the price has already reacted expected. Quick position, even explaining the configuration. We have first success. Let's go to me. It's about in movement the Donchian channels marks me below. That is to say down, okay? That is to say that was in favor of the trend. If you go in movement, it's not that it's going up, but at the least in the movement tell me yes, okay? So runs out so that I can then enter the fall. It's that simple. Let's look for another one, guys, and we got an entry right here on NZ, Audio NZ DOTC, okay? Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. And the entry generally generated here, it's giving the redundancy, but anyway, I entered the Stochastic Oscillator rise. Okay, the entry, the rise, it's forming. It's because that we perform that with a buy button. It's an upward part when it's turning quickly and wait to see how the second position closing in on Audio NZD, even while I missed my ideal entry point to the final. Look at the direction, the movement almost lost this. Okay, but this entry as well. Look at this, guys. That was a win for us again. That's pretty nice. We got in the total $36. And let's see this and wait for another position. All right, this is 1 minute right here. We can see the rejection. The area at the bottom, the downtrend is the uptrend. What is happening makes the entry and lose it, but the direction is correct. All right, well, it's a bad luck, guys. It could happen that was lost with a very small margin of falls just right and then turns around. But well, what the trend here is gave me an entry at the point, and well, it's one difference, and that is think a little later and why they're giving me the win. If I had entered in the second time, I would have lost an entry point and decided. All right, we're gonna use $36 for this next entry on that. Let's wait for this to see that will make work. Then 3, 2, 1. Buy button for that, guys. That's good one. And we see a stronger upward reaction. We know that the ass is going up, although it's leaving me with this big fusion. Remember that you can see the candle and there it can be rising very strongly and then falling back very strongly. Okay, do we have good at the third position? Just need to wait for the result right now. All right, we got this movement. It's very well. So who tell me it's going up? All right, 20 seconds remaining. We got 3 green candles after my entry point. That's pretty nice, guys. Oh my goodness, 10 seconds. Let's wait, and boom, we got this. We got another one. $69. Oh baby, that's pretty nice, man. We are almost reaching over both. Watch out. Let's wait and see how this does. And guys, but what it tells me here is this: we're wrong because it's pointing upwards, but that's 15 seconds. We have to wait or be more patient to see what it does. And look at to hit. I'm going to look for a hitting amount of $69 on that. Okay, for my last entry. And well, the session is going fast because I'm already getting a mouse reposition in less than 10 minutes. But I'm going to wait. It doesn't happen, it's let's fall. It doesn't happen, it falls, but I'm waiting for another rejection. If it's give me the rejection, we'll go in. If not, no, but the risk is losing is very high. Okay, and we got this, the buy button for that one. Okay, that's pretty nice, guys. We need to pay attention on this one. Okay, and look at that. This is right near. It's showing me an upward trend, but look at DNT. Well, DNT the resistance very close to the reaction right here. That's movement just showing me that the price here. Look, it doesn't pass 1, it doesn't pass 2, it's fall again, it doesn't pass 3, and when it rises wrong, I enter, it goes up. Why that is the reason? What? I don't know if this price is gonna to hold it up. Let's hope it. So when let's see what is giving me an entry. It's giving me wind of this. All right, so look at that, 7, 5, 6. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. And position 1 on that, guys. That's pretty amazing. Look at it, you see, I think this is strategy simple to enter here, and then compression that is stochastic oscillator. We also have to see that rises crosses, make entry point. Well, you see this stochastic is very high. It's then the movement already know that I'm not entering on the breaking point because maybe I entered against it. Then goes away, and well, maybe you see that and say, no, I would have entered on downside because look, see the price. All right, so see that doesn't happen here. It goes up, it doesn't happen, but the candle is strong, and just say that this what I expected to see that. All right, on Donchian Channels strategy, or what the price does is compress as this. We have to practice. Remember that is not how to win. Sometimes it's that of a session, it's close everything, but when it tells that's you think of this strategy. I could try this financial markets, yes, of course, there are two, but I have to swear this go with the price action because it's more possible to respect that those zones. All right, I invite you to live sessions, guys, that are held every day on the channel where, well, we play live, we win, we lose, well, there are more success over time, and good. It's about having this plan, guys. You see you in the next video. Have a good day and a happy day, and see you later on the next video, guys. All right, I wish you good profits, wish you good operations. And if you have any question, any comments, just let this on the comments. All right, just write me right now your score using this strategy. Okay, so don't forget it. Subscribe to my channel, and let's see that, guys. See you on my YouTube channel and on the left in the next live session. See you. Bye bye.